and the oldest being 81. And in terms of distribution of these cases by county, we have Nairobi having 26 cases, we have Kisii having 10, Busia 8, Mombasa 7, Uasin Gishu 7, Kisumu 7, Machakos 6, Kericho 5, Kilifi 4, Samburu 2, Nakuru 2, Kajiado, Kiambu also having 2 cases, Bomet, Embu, and Kakamega all have 1 case, together with Makueni, Meru, Trans Nzoia, Narok, and Taita Taveta who all have 1 case. We've provided for you the distribution by sub-county. Of particular note in Nairobi, from the 26 cases, Westland leads with 6 cases, and Roysambu leads with, continues on with 5 cases. In terms of Kisii, which today has come on as our second heaviest burden county, all the 10 cases are from Kitutu Chache South. The disaggregation is provided for you in terms of all the other sub-counties in the different counties. With regard